Now let's see triangles. Now at first we must see at similarity. What is similarity of figures? Look here. Now similarity means what? Two shapes are said to be similar if they look same in shape but different in sizes. Two figures. त्यामध्ये टू डायमेन्शनल असतील और थ्री डायमेन्शनल. Two figures same in shape but different in sizes, in proportion. In proportion are called similar figures. Are called similar figures. Are called similar figures. That means first, two circles
और
of
the same in shape कैसे?
same
Same
in shape but different
Is
in
real है.
huh?
Is real है.
Same in
In shape. Huh. Two circles of different radii. Two circles of different radii are similar. That means this by these definitions, any two circles are always similar. Two circles of different radii are always similar. Two equilateral triangles. Of different sides. You can write down with me. Different sides are similar. Now, how many shapes you can say in this way? Two squares, right? Two squares of different sides are always similar. दोन सर्कल्स घेतले डिफरंट रेडियसचे, दोन इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल्स, दोन स्क्वेअर्स. These are different in sizes but same in shape. So these are similar figures. We are talking about now plane figures. थ्री डायमेन्शन मध्ये क्यूब्स येऊ शकतात. क्यूब्स स्फिअर्स can be equal, can be similar. Cubes or spheres can be similar. आता हे डिफरंट शेप्स आहेत, त्यामध्ये बाकीचे क्वाड्रिलेटर्स जे आहेत मग त्याच्या साईड्स कशा पाहिजे प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये. क्वाड्रिलेटर्स मे बी सिमिलर इफ देअर साईड्स आर इन proportion. Then other figures like triangles, rectangles, quadrilaterals, or polygons.
So ती काही दिली different sides are खाली खाली ते
Always polygon are similar if their sides are in proportion. sides are in proportion. And one of the most important things, congruent triangles, circles, rectangles, quadrilaterals, are always similar. Congruents are always similar because ratio of their sides is 1:1. Ratio of sides is equal to 1:1 for congruent diagrams. Polygons are also there. I am not studying about more polygons, but only this much. Now, similarity of two triangles. Two triangles can be said to be similar if their angles are equal and corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportion. Similarity in triangles. Similarity in triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding one sides are in proportion. Sides are in proportion and angles, corresponding angles are equal. That is, for example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equal to angle P. हे लिहू शकता का तुम्ही?
So थोडे
Angle B is equal to B.
Okay. Now, the next that is correspondence. Correspondence of vertices of triangle. Correspondence of vertices of triangles. Don't talk.
Sir,
Huh?
perfect set नाही घेणार.
Right?
You do it. You do it.
Right.
Video चालू
एक मिनिट पॉज
प्रॉब्लेम कळला सोपं आहे आणि रिसर्च तुम्ही करत correspondence of vertices of triangles. Correspondence of vertices of triangles. If we take two triangles, now look here. Now triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now correspondence of vertices can be written in 6 ways. Correspondence can be written in 6 ways. Now A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, C corresponds to R. That is ABC corresponds to PQR. That means here AB will correspond to PQ, BC will correspond to QR, AC will correspond to PR. AC will correspond to PR. Second, ABC. Now PRQ correspondence we take, if we take ABC PRQ correspondence, पुढे लक्ष द्या, ABC PRQ correspondence. Now here A corresponds to P, B corresponds to R, C corresponds to Q. Then correspondence of sides will change. Now AB will correspond to PR, BC will correspond to
RQ.
and AC will correspond to Q. Now this you must understand. If we take ABC correspond to QPR, fourth ABC correspond to QRP, fifth ABC correspond to RPQ, and sixth one ABC correspond to RQP. That is vertices of any two triangles can correspond to each other in how many ways? Six ways. These 6 ways. You must take into consideration by any one of these correspondences. That's why the correspondences are important. Correspondences important म्हणजे कसं, काही डायग्राम तुम्हाला सांगतो. आता अशा दोन पॅरलल लाईन आहेत, त्याच्यामध्ये ह्या दोन ट्रान्सव्हर्सल्स असतात. मग हे AB आणि CD हे दोन पॅरलल्स लाईन्स आहेत आणि त्यांचा ट्रान्सव्हर्सल समजा O मध्ये इंटरसेक्ट करत असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये A विल करस्पॉन्ड टू D, B विल करस्पॉन्ड टू C and O विल करस्पॉन्ड टू O. AOB triangle will correspond to DOC. AOB triangle will correspond to DOC. समजा असा ट्रायंगल असतो त्याच्यामध्ये ABC DE, then here ADE will correspond to ABC. Correspondence you must understand from these diagrams. Diagram समजा अशा असतील, अशा दोन लाईन. आता इथं AB CD आणि हे दोन अँगल इक्वल असतील. तर हे दोन अँगल इक्वल AOB आणि COD. इथं AOB DOC येतं, इथं काय झालं AOB COD. To understand this you must know correspondence. If you miss the correspondence, all your proof will go in vain. Correspondence तुमचा चुकला की प्रूफ तुमचं सगळं गेलं. So always remember this. Always remember this thing. That is correspondence of vertices of two triangles. Ratio of two corresponding sides in two congruent equiangular triangles is always same. या दोन ट्रायंगलचे अँगल्स इक्वल असतील तर त्याचा रेशो ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स हा नेहमीच कसा असणार आहे, इक्वल असणार. आता आपल्याला बघायचं पहिल्यांदा बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम और थेल्स थेरम, BPT, थेल्स थेरम और बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम. This is very much important from your point of view. Now basic proportionality theorem. We read it in short, repeat this. This is also known as Thales theorem. Now what is basic proportionality theorem? Basic proportionality theorem. If a side or line parallel to one side of a triangle intersects other two sides, ratio of the parts of the sides are in proportion. Ratio of parts of sides are in proportion. Ratio of parts of sides are in proportion. That means if we take a triangle ABC, ABC is any triangle. Now in that triangle, a line L intersects AB and AC at points B and E, and line L is parallel to BC. Line L is parallel to BC. Then AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Given in triangle ABC, line L parallel to BC such that line L intersects AB at D and AC at E to prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now here some construction has to be done to make the construction. First, draw BE, CD and draw perpendiculars here. Suppose DN and EM are perpendiculars on AB and AC respectively. They draw BC, BE, then BN perpendicular to AC, EM perpendicular to AB, DN perpendicular to AC, EM perpendicular to AB. Please keep quiet. I will give you time. Now this construction is done to show that the ratio of these corresponding line segments are equal. The proof of this proof. Now look at the proof. Stop writing for some time. I have written this much part. Only this much part is remaining. First, stop for some time. Let me prove it, and then let me prove it. Now, if you take these two triangles, ADE and BDE. Now, area triangle ADE upon area triangle BDE. Now in case of these two triangles, let's take 1/2 into base into height. 1/2 into AD into the height is EM divided by half into BD or DB. into the height is again EM. Height is again EM. We take base on this line, AB line. म्हणजे ही डायग्राम जर थोडीशी साईडला अशी घेतली बघा, थोडीशी साईडला वेगळी करून. आता याच्यामध्ये अल्टिट्यूड इथं येतो. आता ए बी इथं ई आहे आणि इकडं मध्ये डी आहे काय, हे डी. तर ई एम हे अल्टिट्यूड आहे. ई एम इज अल्टिट्यूड. नाव ए डी अँड डी बी, these two bases are on the same line and vertex is same for triangle ADA and BD. Vertex is same from triangle ADE and BD. Now the vertices are same for both triangles, their bases lie on the same line, therefore their altitudes must be equal. Therefore EM is same for both triangles. So what do get, we get cancelled, half and EM gets cancelled. Therefore we get area triangle ADE upon area triangle BDE is equal to AD upon DB. Now this is first equation. This is equation 1. Now let's see the next part, that is in triangle ADE and CDE. Triangle ADE and CDE. Now we take base on different side. आता बेस कुठं घेतला, AC लाईन वरती घेतला. बेस AC लाईन वरती घेतला तर DN त्याच्यासाठी काय होईल, अल्टिट्यूड. नाव एरिया triangle ADE upon area triangle CDE, again CDE, area triangle ADE and area triangle CDE is equal to half into AE. Now we take base AE into height is DN. आता तोच ट्रायंगल आहे, फक्त इथं वेगळ्या बेसवर घेतल्यामुळं अल्टिट्यूड बदल. इथं बेस एडी साठी बेस कुठला घेतला होता, एडी. इथे एसी एडी साठी बेस कुठला घेतला, एडी. मग इथं अल्टिट्यूड EM होता, इथं अल्टिट्यूड काय झाला, DN डिवायडेड बाय हाफ इनटू EC, right. EC into again the altitude is same. So half get cancelled. DN get cancelled. We get area triangle ADE divided by area triangle CDE is equal to AE upon EC. Now if you see, look at the RHS of both equations. Whatever the RHS are present, that we want to put. They are equal. They must be equal. So look at the LHS of both equations. Now in LHS, numerators are equal. Only denominators are different. But these two triangles are on same base and in between same parallel. Therefore their areas are equal. Now triangle BDE and triangle CDE are between same parallels BC and DE and on the same base. On the same base B. इथं बेस वरती आहे. हे ट्रायंगलचा बेस आपण असा वरती घेतला, ट्रायंगलचा बेस खालचा नाही. Therefore area triangle BDE is equal to area triangle CDE. Now this is third equation. Now we can directly conclude from 1 2 and 3. AD upon DD is equal to AE upon CC. Hence, which theorem is proved? Basic proportionality theorem is proved. Hence, proved. This is BPT or basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Okay. Now you can start the writing.
Sir,